and key players in the Richardson administration accused of messing with billions of your money. Good evening. Investigators say it is the biggest financial scandal this state has ever seen.
Today, the state filed a lawsuit against the key players, and a lot of them are very close to Bill Richardson. News 13's Ian Schwartz is in the Newsplex.
A lawsuit says more than a dozen people were involved, some of them closely tied to former Governor Bill Richardson, in what the suit describes as a kickback and pay-to-play scheme that involved billions of your dollars and stretched from coast to coast.
The lawsuit filed in both state and federal court gets right to the point. It says after Governor Richardson appointed Gary Bland to head the State Investment Council in 2003, Richardson's supporters and senior staffers asked Bland to secure political contributions from firms investing state money. The suit, filed by the state attorney general for the SIC, names 15 defendants. Richardson is not among them.
Unfortunately, I really have no idea as to what level of involvement Governor Richardson may have had in the case. That's just not really something I think I can comment on.
The suit does go after Richardson's close friend Anthony Carrera, who had been barred from acting as an investment advisor following an insider trading scandal in New York years ago. Investigators say he ran the show at the SIC with Bland, deciding who would get state business. His son, Mark Carrera, shared in millions in what the suit says are often bogus third-party fees to match investment firms with the state. The suit also goes after Saul Meyer, an investment advisor hired by the SIC, who pled guilty to a similar kickback scheme that rocked New York State. Meyer is the guy who told investigators he recommended certain investments that were pushed on him by politically connected individuals in New Mexico. Overall, the AG's office says Bland steered more than $2 billion in state money to politically connected firms for investments that weren't in the best interest of New Mexicans. How much did that cost us? And how much does the state hope to get back?
We don't really know yet exactly what that number is going to be. We need to conduct some discovery before we can get our arms around, more specifically what a compensatory number would be.
Now, 2 years ago, Bloomberg reported that third-party brokers who line up investment firms with the SIC gave almost $200 grand to Richardson's campaign and political action committees in a one-year period. Back to you.
Okay, Ian, now there are still no criminal charges in the case, but a federal criminal investigation has been going on for well over a year. Sources tell us the feds are sifting through stacks of records looking for any connections between people named in this lawsuit and contributions to Richardson's campaigns and political action committees.
A Santa Fe bar that served a